Okay, so to add that in, you will go to the 3D effects on the edit to your picture, and it will open the editor here, and then there will be options that you could use. Now I am going to choose the balloons, and as you can see, the balloons are now there. So I am going to save a copy and export the recommended high quality. I'm going to call this Me1 video file. I'm going to export that. So there's two steps. So how I found this to work with Spark is it will export, and then I can watch it play. Okay. So now I want to go to the three dots and go to Save As. In here, it will save it as an MP4. And I'm going to put Me Balloon, save it to my desktop, and that will save a copy. Then when I go back into my Spark, I'll add a new one here, split screen. I'll go to that video, and I know I saved it to my desktop, and I have Me Balloon. And this should work. So I'm going to go to Save, and hopefully, voila, it's there, and it works. So that is how, so there's two steps. So you first edit it and make that into the exported file, then you have to go to those three dots, Save As, and it will be that MP4. Let me know if you have any questions.